That's sick. Remember this in the picture?
Yeah. That's what that
It was an old suspension bridge, see? What is, babe? What is a flume? They carried that through this. Logs? It says they carried the first falls, carried the flume across the falling water river. I think they were putting logs in here to transport them or something.
It brought water up to the...
Here's a good view right here. I like this view. Oh yeah. Take it off. I mean your glasses, honey. That is a good one. Got ya. I bet we find ginseng right here too. Big old berries on it. We got a little ways to go. I'll put a YouTube video on so they can see, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely more of what I wanted, this kind of thing. It's more like you're right on it, you know? 6 hours from Illinois, who would have thought? I didn't know that there was this many in this area. I knew Cookeville had a couple, but damn. This is like waterfall country. I mean,
the girls are going to be sorry in this one.
Well, they'll end up doing it when they're older. When they get their license and tell their kids that they have to do shit, right? They'll be like, damn, now I know what she meant. You wish you would've. See, Dad would have just drove by all this and looked at it. He might have got out where the overlook was. And he'd sit in the truck and not have the radio on and not talk. So it'd drive me crazy. And then I'd go to sleep and he'd roll the window down and my head would fall out.
That's really weird.
In the truck when I would work for him.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd get hammered the night before and like get up at 5 o'clock and go work at like 18 years old. And then I was like, he got mad because I wouldn't come home when I was supposed to. And I'm like, dude, you've already left me alone in my whole junior year, and you expect me to behave?
You gonna come home when you want me to?
Yeah, motherfucker. And you're gonna get mad at me over some pot?
Right.
God damn. I love how alcoholics think their kids should be alcoholics and not potheads. When I was in rehab, that's what all the kids were like, my dad's an alcoholic. And he's like, why couldn't you just been an alcoholic?
Yeah.
Right? It's like, gee whiz. Yeah. Just because you know, that's your drug of choice, right?
Yep.
They say DOC, drug of choice.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't know that's what it meant when I got there. She's like, what's your DOC? And I'm like, Department of Corrections. I have not been there yet.
Is that a mosquito?
Yeah, it bit your blood. It was a vamp mosquito. Yeah.
You get it all?
Yeah. You got a big red mark here.
Oh, but not blood.
No. I don't know if he bit it. I think he just touched it. That's why you don't smash them. You kind of brush them off. Don't ever like smack a bee or a wasp on you. People think that they want to just hit it, but they'll bite or sting right then. This is perfect Halloween-y shit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hmm. Well, there's other ones that'll be on the way we can pop off and see that are as good. Because it's going to be hard to get out of this area. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of forking off or something. You never been canoeing for real? It's been in like almost still water. Say baloney. Say money. Say dinero. Pesos. If you see a giant fern, tell me. I'll get a giant fern for Nan. Baby fall coming out of its culvert. Yeah. I'm so addicted to looking for berries. Babe, I swear the mushroom I saw was a red cap. I wish I would have found it on the way back, because
Did you take a picture of it?
I think it's on video, but those are the kind I think are for real. Yeah, because the red cap, it's really, and there's not a lot of them like that. But one bite, you might die. I mean, you gotta really know, don't you?
Yeah.
Who's the first one that whoever first decided, hey, I'm gonna try it, and then your buddy's like, well, he didn't make it, I think I'm gonna pass. Like, it's always made me wonder who's the first one to try shit. To figure it out. First one that ever saw this waterfall. And then, yeah, I'm gonna make this a park. I'm sure the first one didn't know. Well, if you go to Lookout Mountain, it tells you a story about these people on a horse, and they're like, we were, whoa, you didn't do your ankle. Did you hurt it?
A little, but I'm okay.
All right, wait, let's do your video once you get there. I think you gotta look at your, that's what I mean, just look at where you're going. And let's, wow, look at that, babe. I mean,